What's up, everybody? What's cracking? Happy Thursday. Feliz Jueves. All right, we got. You heard that bell? You heard that bell? We are in the market. Market's open. And let's see what we get. Looking at Tesla, looking at Apple, looking at Nvidia, looking at uh, Spy. See what gives us an opportunity to get on in and get on in. Let's see what we can get today. Yesterday we made $200. So let's see what we can do today. Had some news at 8:30, so that's out of the way. Oh, we got that too, right? Forget about that. Fleshing down on Tesla right now. Down to 445. I need to have this chart over here probably. Well, actually, that's all right. It's all right. Flush it down to the 444s on Tesla. Spy pushing up just a bit. So let's keep an eye on Tesla right now. Tesla, we are flushing down into a low volume area as well. This should be interesting. I need to put this over. Moving these charts around. All right, let me go Tesla over here. All right. And then getting these charts right. All right. Ooh, big 450s. Man, we should be pushing. Okay. All right, now we also, you guys, we have a trend line on Tesla as well. Down here, right about 440. So we're gonna see if we get a bounce off of this trend line on Tesla. We're coming down into a fair value gap. We're coming down to some confluence on Tesla. So let's just see how this all plays out. I've switched up some, all right, there we go. Let's close this out. Collapse this one. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Settings, line right there, right? Yeah, there we go. All right, so. All right, got that straightened out there. So I'm looking right now at Tesla. Because we're in this low volume area, coming down to a fair value gap on the 5-minute, coming down to a trend line. Possible bounce. What's Spy doing? Spy is pushing up. What is Nvidia doing right now? Pushing up. Apple is okay. Apple is actually coming down to a. May get a bounce on Apple also. So Apple and Tesla right now are on my radar. Flushing down right now. So Apple's coming down to this area of interest. So Apple, we may get a bounce at 297, but then again, oh no, this should be 30-minute chart. Let me see. Yeah. Make sure we're at 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. We flew past that a little bit. Let me see what. No buy signal on Tesla yet, really. No buy signal there. Let's see what we have here. Apple. Might get a bounce at 296 on Apple. It's possible. Got some demand down here at 293. People are interested at this level. 445 Tesla. But yeah, man, we're here in Colombia. Take this off. Let's add Apple to this one. Apple. Getting a little push on Tesla. Turn on the VWAP. So we swept some liquidity on with Tesla, getting a buy signal on it, but so Tesla 446.91. Let's just say 496.90 is a key level from yesterday. So will we bounce and reject off of that, or will we break and retest it? That's the question. That's the question. Previous day high is up there at 453. SPY is about to take out the pre-market high. Nvidia, whatever. Apple. All right, Apple. Let's see what's going on with Apple over here. Apple. We should be pushing back up into 300 on Apple. No buyers are in the market just yet though for Apple. Tesla pushing back down into a 1 minute. But I don't like that as much right now. Because anything can still happen. Sometimes we jump too quick. The market has other plans for us. Confirmation, need some confirmation. We need confirmation, baby. This. Let's quiet some of this noise real quick, though, man. There's too much noise on this chart. There we go. It needs to look like that. What's that? 80. Oh, that's all the way, actually. It was all the way, though. It takes what all of the. Do I need to see some of this? Let's see some of that. Quiet that down a bit. Quiet some noise down on this thing, man. Tesla pushing on down to 443s. Coming into a fair value gap possibly on the 5 minute. Man, what did I draw right here? Hold up. Tesla right now, we got a lot of selling going on. A lot of selling. Woo, look at that NASDAQ. Took off. Nvidia. Ooh, 232. All right. Apple. Are we getting a bounce off Apple? Bounce it upside, possibly. Let's get it. Yeah, let's go, man. Let's get it. Let go. Let go, man. Let's get this. Yes, sir, man. Got to get it Thursday morning. So let's see. We got the NASDAQ is running up pretty nice. Nice run on the Nas. Could got nah. So Tesla's going down to 444. When can we get some smoke on Tesla? Or Apple? Apple we might get a bounce at 295 on Apple. Might get a my eyes on Tesla and Apple right now. Nvidia, it's not looking like anything I want to trade at the moment. SPY. I don't know, man. Tesla and Apple right now I'm looking at. I feel like Tesla, we should be getting a push back up into the 450s. We should be. Apple, same thing. We should be getting a push back up into 300. But we got a good amount of selling going on right now, though. Tesla. Got a fair value gap on Tesla at 442 in 5 minute. And let's check this chart too. Check this higher time frame. Yeah. All right, let's see what we get. On Tesla, we might be getting a break of structure here on the 1 minute. Not yet though. 446.25. It's a little structure right there. And then we got the key level at 446.80. No, 446.90. So if we can break above that, come down and do a retest possibly. Let's see. Sweep. Gotta be patient here. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient here. First 15 minutes has gone by. So we break above 446. We may have to go long on Tesla. Apple's starting to push up a little bit. Open. The open is right here, right? What's that right there? 446.49. Oh, I need to mark that too. Let me see. I need to mark where Tesla right here. I need to mark this level. $445.25, $445.25, $445.25, $445.25. Yeah, and then what was that? 436.60, 436.60, 436.60. Got some consolidation on Tesla. Nasdaq is running up. Yeah, that Nasdaq is running. Hit the like button, chat. Hit the like button, man. Nas is on that pipe this morning. Nas is on that pipe. Goodness gracious. There we go. Look at those bullish candles on that 5 minute. Man, can we get a wick test on this one, that Nas? Don't let me open up. Don't let me go open up Tradeovate now. Hold on. Don't let me open up Tradeovate on it. Don't let me open up Tradeovate. Hold on. Don't let me crack that open real quick for that wick test. That wick test at 600, 29,600. Let me set that real quick. Hold on. Might be able to get a quick slap. But we didn't get the wick test on yeah, man. I don't know. Trying to take out those overnight highs. Blew past previous blew past the previous day high also. Point of control still down there on the Nas. It's very interesting. Apple pushing up. Nvidia. Nasdaq. Are we gonna come back and test this previous day high on that Nas? I might get a test on that previous day high. Look at that candle. Wow. $601. I might have to take a shot on this Nas at 601, 600. We might be able to get a quick slap. With a stop loss at and I want we are pushing up pretty nice though. Maybe I'll have to go a little lighter. Yeah, I would put an order in at 600. If we get down to 29,600, that would be a wick test. Untested wick. Stop loss at 574.50. It's about a 25-point stop loss. So we can let's see. The Tesla's not doing anything right now. Let's see. All right, let's see what this push on the Nas. What do we get? Wick test. Do we get the wick test for a slap? Then we get the wick test. Everybody, we get the wick test. If we get down for another 15 points, we might be able to get a slap. Or it's going to blow past the wick and come down below point of control. That's the question. All right, wick test. Boom. Blew past the wick test. Can we retest that previous day high? Come on down. Just. All right. Come on down to the 550s then. That's cool too. 550s. One, two, three. It didn't do it there on that candle. Alright, so 550s, that'd be cool. Come down just into. Alright, let's go a little lighter. Tesla still chilling out. I might like this trade in fighting 550s now to go long on Nas on that NASDAQ. If we can get down to the 550s though, that's the thing. 540, 550, 540 would be nice to go long. Man, Tesla is not moving really. What's SPY doing? SPY, Nvidia, Apple flushing back down. And I wanted that. I wanted Nas down there at that 5. Might still get it though. Man, Tesla must be loading up. Yeah, Tesla. Look at that 1 minute on Tesla. A lot of consolidation. It's gonna spring eventually. I'm watching this Nas right now though. We didn't get the wick test. So now I'm wondering, can we flush down to into the 550s on this Nas, baby? Come on, flush. Retest that previous day high. That's a lot of confluence down there in the 550s and 560s. And I've seen, if we can get, man, 5 from 5, let's just say this, from 525, 525 would be a nice discount. If we can get 525, between 525 and 530, I'm long with the Nas. But I'll take 550s. But if we can get into these 20s, I mean to the 25, 30, 525, 530, you can do it. You can do it. I gotta put an order down there at that level. I'm putting one in the 550s too, because let's see. Here's a push. Come on, push, nice. Push, big dog. 560s. Yep. Ooh. Come on, go. 560s is nice, but we want a little bit better price. A little bit better of a price. We'll go light.
Order filled.
I'm long on Nas.
Order filled.
Dang, it took a long time to fill that order. Took a minute. Stop loss is going right at about that.
Order filled.
Why is it taking so long, man? Trade debate. Hold on, trade debate. All right, so I just did. Just got a quick slap on Nas. For about. Got in at 5:47. Got out. I didn't stay in. I took a play in the overnight session, so I'm up 235 on. Ooh, Tesla. Go Tesla. Hold on, Tesla. Retest previous day close. I knew that Nas was coming. Hey, baby, I knew that Nas was coming down there. Knew that discount. Yep, I knew it. Let's go. Should have stayed in that. That's what I should have did, but you know what I'm saying? Should have stayed up in that thing a little longer. I knew that was a good entry. Got in at yeah. Came down to them 550s, 530. That was discount. Got a nice little slap, 100 more points. And now I'm watching Tesla. Apple was flushing down, but Tesla. Look at this bull candle. Broke up through previous day close. And we are now coming up to the open again. So let's see if we can get a slap on Tesla. It was consolidating for a minute. It was consolidating. Now we got a fair value gap. So we need to set this up real quick. Tesla, let's see. Let's load it up. Come on, man. Tomorrow expiration. 5:45 calls. Let's load those up. Come back into this fair value gap on the 1 minute with Tesla. Still a little hesitant though. It's going long on Tesla right now. Something about it just. Let me wait. Because we did tap into that fair value gap, but Tesla might want to flush some more. Might. Let's peek at Apple. Apple is flushing back down. Apple, come on, Apple, let's go. We should be able to get a bounce on Apple, man. I'll take a bounce at let's see what. Man, 295. I'm taking that long on Apple. I'm taking Apple long, 295. Now hold on. Come on, let's get this, man. Come on, man. Tesla on the. Gotta keep an eye on this volume. And also, let's check this out. The more information we have, the better. There we go. Let's get some information on Tesla. All right. Ooh, the numbers. Look at them numbers, bro. Look at them numbers. Look at them numbers now. 50,000. Oh shit. What level is that? 439. Hold on. Let's mark that up now. Let's mark this up. Because we might get 439. Oh, we might. Yeah. We might get this 439 on Tesla. That's right there. Trend line. Everybody, boom, boom. Everybody take that shot. Shoot, man. Let me go ahead and close that down. Still watching Tesla. That Delta is popping down too. 623. Let's go to yesterday's numbers. Alright, let's see. Tesla's running down. That's an outlier right there. 440. And I said what? 439. 440. We got an outlier, man, at 440 on Tesla, though. $440, $439. Keep an eye on those levels. $440.16. That's that trend line. We made. $440 makes sense to come down and touch that. 440. Check this down, Tesla. Man. Then tomorrow, you guys, we got the new Fed chair taking over. So we could have an interesting day tomorrow too. But Tesla, it's hard to go short on Tesla. You look at that daily chart, it's hard to go short. Matter of fact, it's impossible to go short. I just can't see it right now. Tesla. Nah. I have to go along with Tesla. Like whatever play is made today. All right, Apple. I see you. Nvidia still messing around. SPY. Yeah. But yeah, man, Tesla, I can't see going short. It's just not. It doesn't make sense in any capacity at this point. Yeah, let's see what the prices is for the whole 18th is Monday expiration. could get some calls a little further out. I think Tesla might run next week. We might get a run on Tesla. So should I get these calls to hold? Maybe we'll wait till tomorrow to do that. Cause I don't know, tomorrow might be a little wild. Might get a deep pullback. Might get a run. I might be messing up by it. I don't know. All right, so we're doing good. We're being patient on Tesla. It's always good. We're displaying some patience, not rushing to take an entry. Came down to that low volume though. We definitely came down. No, Tesla, let's slap down to this 439, 440. I want to see what you're gonna do down there. That's what I'm trying to see. So now I gotta change up the order here, right? Because if we get the, let's load up. Change this to 6. No, we didn't have to do that. Didn't have to do that. I gotta go up to 440 calls now. Cause we get 4. Oh, that now. Hold on. We gonna get 4. Oh, that now. I want to see 439. I don't want to see 439 and 440 pop up. Because that area is looking interesting. 52, 30, 40. Damn, that is right there too. Man, 439.72 to 440. That's where I would like to take a look at an entry to go long. If we get that, and we got a trend line down there. Got a lot of confluence, you guys. Got a lot of confluence. Now we do got a previous day open down there, 436. So yesterday's open is down there, 436. But do we flush all the way down there? Still cracking over here. All right. All right, Tesla. All right. Let's take a look at Apple. 76. Microsoft. $300. Wow. That is running pretty good. Bitcoin 79,000. 45. 54. Shopify, $94 a share. What do you guys think about Shopify? They say that some hedge funds are adding Shopify to their portfolio, but I don't know, man. Claude and AI, and you can build a site so much easier, quicker with AI now. So, I mean, Shopify, you got the e-commerce and everything is I don't know, man. I mean, Shopify at $94 is, I mean, if you want to hold long term, probably can't really go wrong. You're gonna hold 5-10 years, but I don't know. Shopify is just, I think I'd rather put that $94 somewhere else into some AI infrastructure instead of Shopify. That's just me, but all right, Tesla, I'm watching you. Don't really have buyers stepping in. Apple, 298. Apple. Apple's starting to look a little bullish, breaking some structure. Might have to take Apple long. Tesla's going back up. Point of control. Broke a little structure on Tesla in the 1 minute. Not ready to fire yet. Not ready to fire off. Muy bien, muy bien, muy bien. Look at Apple. Pull back on Apple. Pull back. What's the Nas doing? What's the Nas doing? Just trying to wait Tesla out a little longer. You don't want to get caught in a bad trade. You gotta try to avoid that. Try our best to avoid a bad trade. We can target 452 pre-market high. Be a nice target. So I'm looking at my 5-minute chart on Tesla. I'm looking at a 1-minute chart. We got previous day high up there in the 450s, 453. Previous day low is down there at 430. I also need to mark this too. Let's see. Hold up. Let's mark the. We want to check out the value area too because. Tesla. Look at that flush on Tesla. Look at that flush. Y'all know the price I'm trying to get to. You know the price I'm trying to get. value area. So we should be coming back up to 450. That's what I'm trying to say. We can get this 439, 440 entry. Excuse me, folks. Get a little cold. Not cold, but a little, little sniffles. All right. So let's tap this trend line. Let's take these orders down here, 439, 440. Let's take a look at Apple. Sideways. What's SPY? SPY's running up. But let's see what Tesla's gonna do. All right, pushing back into a fair value gap on 5-minute chart. Tesla. Let's get rid of this. Don't sweat the technique. So who's gonna win the NBA Finals? Who's gonna win the NBA Finals? Who you got? Who you got? Tesla's pulling down off that point of control. We never touched that key level up there. We got value area up there. We got VWAP hanging out. VWAP is hanging out up there at 450. So 450, 449, 444, 439. Got this one too. I'll keep an eye on that one. All right, we've been waiting, man. We've been waiting on Tesla. See if we can get a little bounce. Boom, push. Push it to the limit. Ooh, push it to the limit. Right to that fair value. We're coming down to the 440s, flushing down. So what if we get 439.78? Swept some liquidity on the 1 minute. Or if we get 437.15, we got a little support there. Little support. Let's mark that level just to have it. That's close to previous day open. Damn, so we might come down to that, huh? I'll take that. Confluence too. So 436.60, previous day open, and a fair value gap. Now that level was good. I like 439, 440, but 436.60. $436. to fair value. Swept liquidity. What you miss? Nah, you ain't missed much, man. I took a little play on the Nas a while ago. You might have been on then. I don't know, but I'm still watching Tesla right now. I'm stalking Tesla. I'm stalking it, waiting for a bounce back to the upside because I think we might be able to take 440. I mean, target 450. And if we can target 450 and get a nice 8, 7 to 10 point run up, that'll be pretty nice. Tesla, I'm looking at 439, 436 to 439 to go long. Coming down to a trend line, we got a fair value gap that we're into right now, but I don't really see buyers stepping in just yet, so I don't think the run up is in place. 1030. Apple. Apple's pulling back, so that's not really making noise right now either. SPY. Run up on SPY. Let's see if we can get Tesla where we want it. Tomorrow is Friday, new Fed chair. So we don't know what the market's gonna do tomorrow. Fed chair taking over tomorrow. We might get a wild ride tomorrow. Might get a pullback. Might get a crazy run. And the president is over there at the summit, China, and took the CEOs over there, Elon, and man. There's a lot going on, so who knows what kind of news may come out between today and tomorrow, and the Fed chair. We may get, man, who knows? I don't think I want to hold any contracts over the weekend because of that. This dude mess around and make an announcement on Sunday, Have you wiped out? 501. Some pretty big numbers right there. 584. See these numbers over here? Man, what? See these numbers? How much bigger they are than these numbers? 635, 676. People selling like a mug. I definitely ain't going short though. I feel people. Ooh. 500, 600. Small numbers over here. And ain't nobody's buying right now. Damn, should I be trying to sell? But I'm like, oh, you're trying to sell in this environment. I can see if you putting in a $200,000 order, get a quick scalp, make $30,000, but damn. These numbers are. Look at this. I mean, look how lopsided these numbers are. 524 at 5.55. People are selling their asses off. 414, 235, 819, 774. bro. No, that's not. Yeah, I got a quick pop on Nas. That pulled back into the what was it, 950s. That's why 550s, 560s. I was waiting for it to pull back there. Went in for like 3 micros. So up $235 on those accounts. This Tesla, so we got the people, so we got the sell. We don't break structure, it doesn't matter anyway. But I think you got people going short Tesla right at about this level for a flush back down to 440. That's cool. I'm not mad at that trade. What is it? I'm looking at all this right here. I'm looking at these numbers like they're very lopsided. But then I'm looking at a 1 minute chart, just looking at the candles, just looking at the I'm looking at the candles on a 1 minute chart and just trying to see if any structure is going to be broken on the 1 minute. Right, so far it didn't really break structure on the 1 minute, so going long right now doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. Kind of tempting to go short, but it's hard to go short, man. Looking at that Tesla chart, that daily chart, it's hard to go short, even a scalp, because it just doesn't really make sense. But I see why some people are, because you see it's pushing back a little bit. I can see why some people are going short. But I want, man. They're shorting this bad boy back down to 440. It's not a bad short though. It's not a bad short. You got some big numbers up there. It's just hard to go short though, man. That daily chart is so bullish. That Tesla daily chart, man. I don't know about no shorts, bro. That's just not. That daily chart is bullish. If I was putting in a $10,000 order, I might go short though. Get a quick $1,500 off of a little slight move down. So yeah, I'm looking at a 1 minute on Tesla right now. Checking out this information over here. Seeing these orders come through on the book. In actuality, we've been consolidating on Tesla for since 9:50 for the past hour. It's been nothing but consolidation. So had a little fake out. They tried to fake us out at 10 o'clock with that on the 1 minute chart at 10 o'clock. They tried to fake us out with those 2 green candles, 2 push candles, but we didn't fall for that one. Fall for the okie doke. a little bit. See, that's why everybody's going short. Yeah, they about to push this mug down. Sellers are they like, we are protecting. Buyers are not about to do nothing right now, but eventually they might. See, you best trying to go short right here. You caught up in this mess. A little back and forth action. Tesla's just slow. Let's go to Apple. Apple's lagging too. Oh man. Buying. Sell. Buy. We might have a little manipulation going on right now on Tesla. And then if you look at the 5 minute though, it's not really giving too much though. Oh yeah, it is a little bit. Yeah, it is. On Tesla right now, they might be trying to get us to buy. And then sell off on people who bought. Get those people to close their positions and then buy. Then the real buy comes in. This may not be the real buy. Bounce off value area low. Previous day close. Broke some structure over 1 minute. This might be some inducement though. This might be the area to go short if you are gonna go short. Previous day close. Broke that trend line. Tesla pushing up a little bit. 445. Damn, do we flush back down off 445? Today was buying some X. Sell X. Off that 200. 200's up there at 445.75 on 5 minute. Short right here. Previous day close. Got one contract going short up here. So I'm thinking we flush back down to 440 from here. Yeah, a lot of people slapping that axe size. See if we can jump down back to the 440s on Tesla. 657. See if we can push back down under the point of control, which is at 443.88. I had to try these shorts out because I'm seeing these numbers come in on the book. Another short, or another contract to go short. Pushing up. Little resistance up there at 446. Push up right there. Tesla sneaking up, huh? Down $94 right now. Down $84. Open this. What's it open? What is that? 446.49. Down $49. Down $39. Down $24. Down $14. Up $1. Enough to get a bottle of water. Flush back down to 440s. Get below this level. Can we get below $41? We up $46. $51. Flush. sellers. Flush into these 440s, Tesla. So here's another chart that we're looking at. It's not showing my up $91. Up $86. So here we are over here. Looking for us to flush back down. So let's see if we can get a flush down here. $680. Come on, Tesla. Up $31. That's a 1 minute though. So you're looking at a 1 minute chart. I need to get below this point of control, man. That blue dotted line you see right there, we need to close below that. This line right here. We need to close right down below this line, man. $680. Stop. 680. VWAP, yeah. That's VWAP. Yep. That's VWAP. That's the VWAP. Yellow line. Come on, man. VWAP. 680. Alright. We need to flush down below. Down and below 440s, man. 440s. Damn, I'm thinking like buyers are trapped right here. Well, I'm hoping. It looks like. Oh man, come on now. Down $24 on that move. Come on now. Down $9. Come on, bruh. What type of move was that? We're gonna close out for a loss of $49 on that trade. Dang. $49. Got me for 49. Motherfuckers. This price action is trash, man. Tesla, come on now. Damn. Alright, it's all good. Small loss on that. Let's see. Is it time to go long on Tesla? Maybe. $49. Got me. With a 49. All right, Tesla. Boom. Push it up. 446.49. All right, so we might be able to go ahead and go long now. Now we're back up to a key level. We're above the open. So it's 445. All right. It's all good. Might be time to go long. We just switch up our bias, man. Ain't said nothing. Let's see the schedule. Use 49 and 44. Oh, man, I'm trying to go to a game this season too. I'm trying to get to a game. I don't know which. I know we play. I don't think we played San Fran. I don't think. I know we got Buffalo. So wouldn't mind going to the hometown game. Of course, we got the home games. Never been to the SoFi before. So, but I definitely want to get to a game. I want to get to a football game, get to a I gotta get back home for a game. For sure. Got to. But the Niners though. Y'all getting y'all got CMC still out there running pretty hard. This level right here. So this white line is yesterday's key key level from yesterday. You see, we bouncing off it for the moment. Yeah, CMC. Yeah, that dude's been running hard for years, man. I gotta give it to him. He's a dog out there, man. But years and years of getting banged around in the trenches. Yeah, man. Preseason. I'm sure we're gonna play y'all in preseason. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm ready for see what Harbaugh got cooked up this year. We got Mike McDaniel running the offense now, so Herbo should be. He was the most sacked QB in the league last year, man. So McDaniel, I think he'll be able to get our offense on track. Harbaugh, we got some good weapons. Running back, got some good backs back there, man. The backfield, so we should be. We should be. This year should be all right if we can stay healthy. That O-line was banged up last year, man. So we gotta stay healthy on that O-line. So this year should be pretty good. We still got worry about the Broncos and the Raiders, man. Anybody think about the Raiders right now, but the Broncos and the Chiefs, we got to worry about those boys. Broncos, they got a hell of a defense, and Mahomes, crybaby Mahomes, they still gonna be in the picture, I'm sure. Kelsey's getting old. So I like our chances, but the Broncos, they got a tough team. Broncos are pretty tough. So we keep rejecting off that white line. Can't stay healthy, what? Yeah, Broncos and Chiefs. Yeah, Mahomes still, yep. Mahomes a little banged up. But that Broncos defense, I give those dudes credit, man. They come to play every game. But I think Mike McDaniel is going to be the difference for our offense, though. We had Greg Roman last year. Greg Roman, man, I could have called a better game than Greg Roman. He run up the middle, hand off, draw, run up the middle. Greg Roman, I don't like his offense. He was getting Herbo killed back there. But Mike McDaniel, if he made Tua look good, he should be able to make Herbo look like MVP. You know what I'm saying? We rejecting off of that line right there. I think we're gonna push through it though. Yesterday, this white line was some support yesterday. A little consolidation. We should push up through this. Or we might come back down here, then go up. I can see that happening too. Push right through that bad boy. Alright. See if we get the retest. This is a 1 minute chart though, so 5 minute candle is not closed yet. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutos before this candle closes. Damn, I don't like how that thing went up like that though, man. I ain't feeling that. Tesla, okay. A little sneaky move up today. That's one of those sneaky moves up. And the other day want to run up like smooth sailing. Run up. But now today we want to chop up, chop up. Played around today. See if we can come back down and sweep this liquidity under here. See if we can get right back to this zone. Alright. Come on down a little bit more. Uh-oh. A little bit more. I see how we trading today. We on that BS today. All right. Come on down here, Luke. We got what, 3 minutes before this candle closes? 5 minute candle. Flip over to the 5 minute chart. Boom, there we go. thought we would come down here a little bit. If I'm being, let me see. Thought we would do that. Got what? 2 minutes, 1 minute before this 5-minute candle closes. Get back below that white line. Today's the 14th. All right. The open is 490, so really anything above this level is kind of a good entry, I would think, but I was just trying to get a little bit better of an entry right here. Okay. I gotta take that. We're long on Tesla. Damn. What? Bugs. Where did it go? Okay, here. Oh, I'm tripping. Okay, I'm like, okay. I'm looking like, what's going on here? So we targeting pre-market high. And we definitely targeting 450 for sure. Really 451. So we got filled at 806. Ooh, look at that. Another entry down there. They just said the 49ers are going to be traveling the longest. They're traveling the most miles out of any team in the league this season to play. Your boys are traveling, man. The Niners. We're testing the open right now. Shooting up off the open. We're up $18. We're up, yeah, 20. Yeah, okay, I see it. $23 right now. Lost 49 on the first trade. We're up 102 on the second trade, but overall we're only up $43. I'm gonna say only, man. Gotta be appreciate every dollar. We always want to say only up, only up. I dropped that. You gotta stop talking that mess, man. Ain't no only. If you up, you're up. Ain't no only. You up $20, you up $20. $20, go get you a sandwich. But yeah, frequent flyer miles. Yeah, boys are traveling. I usually get up or pack McAfee every morning while I'm trading. And some people like to listen to Bloomberg. I don't like hearing all that chatter when I'm trading. I don't like hearing a whole bunch of market talk. Some people do though. I have some sports on. I have some travel content on. I'm not trying to hear. I do watch Bloomberg when I'm not trading, but I don't want to hear. I don't want any outer influences from talking heads. So let's see. Our target is gonna be up. Let's see. Let's go up here to the target. We got a lot of look at all this space up here. Beautiful space. So now we got pre-market high is gonna be up here at 450, 452. But then we got previous day high up here at 453. I would like to target 453. That's like a great TP. But that would be a TP3 or something like that. I mean, definitely going to target this 449. This is TP1. But let's see. Let's just see if these buyers can step on in. But we really should be 450 though. I mean that 450. We may not get 453, but 450 we should be getting. Coming back down a little bit, retesting that open. 446.90. break. Give me a break here. Give me a break, man. Classical music. Man, you know what? People sleep on classical music. They even say like for babies that if you instead of playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star while they sleep, if you play classical music, they say like it makes babies more intelligent. Like they had a study on that, playing classical music for babies. So yeah, I see. Yeah, yep. I feel you on that. Ease your mind. You know, this trading can be a little bit stressful at times, so definitely don't want to put on no bone crusher, nothing like that. Don't want to hear that, dude. Not while I'm trading. It's already stressful enough. But classical music, yeah, I can rock with that. Man, this thing gonna pull back to where I was kind of really trying to get in on the first entry, right down here. Now, Tesla's on one today. With the deep pullbacks. Yeah. Are you done? Goodness. Come on, man. Trying to get the deep. Yeah, it's gonna come back down here. I can see that. I can see it right now. It's coming right down here. Come on down. We might take one more call. Yeah, Tesla be having those days where they want to just kind of, they want to hit you with the boom boom. This is a day where you really got to get a good entry. That's what I'm saying right now. You got to really enter carefully. I wouldn't even consider taking another entry until we got down in this damn near down here. Like, this is 5 minute. You do got a fair value gap right here, but I didn't think it would come down to the fair value gap, though. I didn't think it would do nothing like that. What are we down now? We're down 20, down $50 right now. Damn, got me thinking about getting out and re-entering again. Down $60. Down $70. Down $80. Down $100. Yes. Popping back up there. We down $47. Down $27. Are you ready to go up? Down $17. 8.15. Up $23. Up $18. Up 33. Target 450. Nice bullish green candle. Up $58. Alright. Up $63. We got what, 2 positions? Yeah, 2 else. Buyers stepping in. Come on, buyers. Are we gonna take out that previous day high? Let's go get that. Up $83. Up 93. Up 129. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Take us up. Take us up. Up 133. Up 143. Take us up. Big dog. Take us up. Big dog. And they say you don't. Okay. Up 150. Up 160. Up 170. Up 180. Smack one. We need to smack that 450. Smack 450. Man, we're going to 451. Up 188. Said fans threw golf balls and mustard bottles at him. Damn. Up 218. We like those twos. That's 920. We like those twos. Buyers. I'm on 450. Took another entry just now. Up 257. Up 28. Up 302. Up 330. Up 347. Alright, we close it on out. 268 on the day. 268, we'll take it. You know, we came up here to the equal the point at which we sold off pretty heavy. So I'm like, yeah, we may go on up, but I'd rather just take profit right here at this level. Because who knows, maybe it'll pull back a lot, maybe it won't, but I just took off the profit right there. So that'll do it, everybody. Catch you tomorrow on the next stream. 268 on the day on Tesla. And yep, that's a wrap. Peace out.